Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Time now is around 6:30 a.m. and date today is 19th of June, which is a Monday. So what we are going to see in this video, what is going to be the price action today, what is SGX Nifty showing, what is the open interest showing, what are all the FII data or what are all the macroeconomic data are there in front of us so that we can peacefully or we can have an insight or we might have a perspective of today's market is what we are going to say in this video, right? Now, what the first and foremost thing is that SGXFT, what is SGXFT showing is that SGXFT is showing a flat, maybe a flat opening. I don't think SGXFT is yet open. Time now is almost 6:41. 6:30 SGXFT will open, but still now we are not getting any cues from SGXFT or it may be almost flat, right? And what is the US future is saying is even though US futures, US market rallied for around 400 or 450 points around after this US Federal Reserve paused the interest rate. Now we are seeing a sluggish momentum in the US market. Now you are seeing the US futures, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, all are under it's almost red. I wouldn't say it's deep in the red. It is almost flat. The Dow Jones is around 47 down by less than half a percent. S&P 500 is less than down by half a percent. It's almost flat. And what the Asia Pacific is saying is that Asia Pacific is also kind of mixed. Hang Seng is up by almost 1%. Topics is almost up by almost half a percent. Nikkei is down by more than half a percent. So we are getting a mixed cue from Asia Pacific. Kospi, which is South Korean index, is down by more than half a percent. So we are getting a mixed reaction or mixed cues, mixed global cues from Asia Pacific, right? Now what I think is SGX Nifty might open flat or we might open on the downside is what is my expectation. Now if that happens, what is going to happen is people have written huge number of calls in 18,800 as well, from 18,800 to 18,500. 18,700 is having the highest open interest, and if there is any gap down, these people, 18,000 people whoever have written Nifty 18,700 will have to run for cover, and that is what is happening. What I am noting or what I'm observing is that wherever there is highest strike, that strike is taken out, is being taken out decisively or is being taken out. So last week we saw what 18,700, 18. This 18,700 has last week had the highest number of call options. Now it is having the highest number of put option, right? So last week, since it had 18,700, Nifty strike had a huge number of call option. It was taken out, and today it is having 18,700 put option, huge quantity, which might also be taken out, right? So SGXFT, we are not getting any indication. I think still it is not updating. We don't have direct access to SGXFT, so we'll have to wait. I'm sure till this video ends, SGXFT will show up something or else, right? And in terms of Bank Nifty, also huge number of puts are being returned. Now, in case, now what people are saying is that even in our Telegram group, we have a very vibrant Telegram group for which the link is on the description below. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group. Now, what people are saying is that this might be the last leg of bull rally. Nifty is almost at lifetime high. If you see this, Nifty is almost at lifetime high, right? Maybe another 10 or 20 points, Nifty will hit lifetime high, and the lifetime high are always a good resistance. So we might say a good retracement, we might say Nifty drifting towards 18,600, 18,500. Say, I'm not saying that markets are going to crash. Since if you see historically, lifetime highs are always a good resistance. So you will get some retracement when markets hit lifetime high, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty or Fin Nifty, right? So we might have a small retracement in terms of Nifty Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is always like it is not, it touched lifetime high of around 44,500, but off late it is not performing as the Nifty is performing. So we may, if Nifty is retracing, that will also drag Bank Nifty on the downside, and we may see a little retracement. And if we are super bullish, and that FIAs are net buyers, they are buying left, right, and center. So the probability of market going on the higher side is also there. But at the same time, the probability of going downside is also there. So 50-50, which means there is going to be a consolidation. Both bulls and bears are going to fight like anything. So we have a very volatile market today is what is my expectation. And I don't think Bank Nifty will move below 43,000. It is not even going to come below 43,500 is my expectation. So last trading session, that is Friday's trading session, open was around 43,500 for Bank Nifty, and I believe it is not going to come below 43,500 in terms of Bank Nifty. And in terms of Nifty, I don't think Friday's open is around 18,700, and I don't think it is going to come below 18,700 or even 18,500. Even if it is coming below 18,700, then 18,500 is a very, very strong support in Nifty. That is what I can see, and that is evident in open interest. Everybody is writing put options, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, everybody, every Tom, Dick, and Harry is writing put options in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let us check SGX Nifty one more time. Let us see if we are getting anything. I don't think there is anything. Maybe it is time now is, I think, too early. And when it comes to macroeconomic data, tomorrow, 20, that is not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 21st, Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, is going to give a testimony. And even on 22nd, 2 days continuously is going to give testimony. So the markets, global markets are going to watch this activity, or is going to see this activity, follow this activity, what he is going to say very closely. So we might get some cues from his testimony, what he's trying to say or what he's trying to do, right? So that's it for today. We don't have any much of macroeconomic data in terms of Indian market. And even if it is, there is any data in terms of Indian market, I think people will always ignore Indian markets, and participants are ignoring Indian markets, and we are behind our mother market, which is the US market. So I hope I have summarized everything. FIAs and DAs are net buyers. They have bought in huge quantity. That is already we have talked about. They have bought at around maybe 3,000. FIAs have bought around 3,000 crores, and DAs have bought around maybe 400 or 450 crores. And before closing, let me check SGX 50 one more time. If I am getting any cues in SGX 50, let me check one more time. SGX Nifty, SGX Nifty, SGX Nifty is okay. SGX Nifty is one thing. Yeah, I don't see any cues here also. SGX Nifty is not yet updating. Yeah, S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, it's everything is down. Let us see how things pan out. And here also SGX Nifty is not updating. Maybe after 10 or 15 minutes. Anyway, if you are in our Telegram group, I'll post it there. That's it for today. I'll see you in today's evening video. Till then, take care. Bye.